Moms, are you struggling with finding a quick and healthy recipe for you and your kiddos? Well, I got the one for you. Here is a banana avocado protein pudding, which I absolutely love. One, it's got all the right macros. You're getting good protein, you're getting healthy fats, and you're getting the right complex carbs and a ton of fiber. So what better way to kick off your day with this pudding? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop out an avocado, add it to your blender or NutriBullet like I have here. Avocado is full of healthy fats, really good for gut health. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a banana, and I'm gonna add some coconut milk, 1/3. I'm gonna add 1/4 of oats, add that fiber in there. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of your preferred protein, vegan protein, whey protein, doesn't matter. Just add it in there. I'm gonna add some flax seeds, exceptional for balancing out hormones, ton of fiber, rich in antioxidants, and it's got omega-3. And let's add a little bit of honey, and let's get ready to mix. All right, once it's ready, see, it looks like a custard, like a pudding. You're gonna add it to a bowl, and I'm gonna test it. Taste this. I love almonds, something that you can add. I just sprinkle a little bit of almonds in there. Top it off with some hemp seeds, superfood, rich with antioxidants. Ladies, this is awesome for your hormones. Put it in the fridge and it's ready to eat. This is a super healthy meal that you can absolutely have any time of the day. It's fast, convenient for any moms that are on the go, any of us. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel.